Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. Today I will teach you computer science of grade 5. Students, today we are going to revise our chapter number 1, and that is about evolution of computer. So let's start. First of all, choose the correct option. First one is dash was the first calculating device. Option A is Napier bones, option B is abacus and option C is Pascaline. So हमसे यहाँ पूछा जा रहा है कि फर्स्ट कैलकुलेटिंग डिवाइस कौन सी थी. वी नो abacus. सो यहाँ पे हम abacus को करेक्ट ऑप्शन कंसीडर करेंगे. Okay, move to next. Next one is Beowulf is an example of dash. Option A is supercomputer. Option B is mini computer. Option C is mainframe computer. हमसे पूछा जा रहा है कि Beowulf is example of dash. बेवुल्फ एग्जाम्पल है सुपर कंप्यूटर की, मिनी कंप्यूटर की या मेन फ्रेम की. सो बेवुल्फ सुपर कंप्यूटर की एग्जाम्पल है. सो यहाँ पर सुपर कंप्यूटर को करेक्ट ऑप्शन कंसीडर किया जाएगा. थर्ड वन इज डैश वर यूज्ड इन द फर्स्ट जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर. ऑप्शन ए इज पंच कार्ड. Option B is transistor. Option C is vacuum tubes. So we know vacuum tubes जो थी वो फर्स्ट जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर में यूज हुई थी. सो ऑप्शन C is correct. Move to next one is dash was the first computer. Option A is universal automatic computer. Option B is electronic numerical integrator or computer, and option C is integrated circuit. So option B is correct, electronic numerical integrator and computer. Move to next one is fill in the blanks. First one is dash is known as the father of computer. सो फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर किनको जाना जाता है? चार्ल्स बैबेज को. नेक्स्ट वन इज अ डैश इज अ piece of paper that contains the information for doing calculation. A punch card is a piece of paper that contains the information for doing calculation. Third one is analytical engine was based upon the concept of dash. Analytical engine किस concept पे base करता है? IPO, input, process, output. So third one is IPO. Fourth one is dash were used in the second generation computers. Second generation में क्या यूज़ हुआ था? सेकेंड जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स में क्या यूज़ हुआ था? ट्रांजिस्टर्स. सो यहाँ पे हम ट्रांजिस्टर लिखेंगे. फिफ्थ वन इज डैश एंड डैश आर यूज्ड इन द फोर्थ जनरेशन कंप्यूटर. फोर्थ जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर में क्या यूज़ हुआ था? लार्ज स्केल इंटीग्रेशन एंड माइक्रो प्रोसेसर. ओके, move to next one is true false. First one is abacus was invented by Japanese. No, it's false because abacus was invented by Chinese. Checkers loom used the punched card. It's true. Third one is difference engine was developed by Charles Jones. No, difference engine was developed by Charles Babbage. So it's false. Fourth one is analytical engine works on IPO concepts. Yes, it's true. Fifth one is electronic numerical integrator and computer was the second generation of computer. No, it's false because transistor was the second generation of computer. Okay student, move to next. Next one is answer the following questions. Question number 1 is which is the first calculating device? First calculating device कौन सी थी? Answer is abacus was the first calculating device. Abacus first calculating device थी. Okay. Students, move to next question. Question number 2. Who is known as the father of computer? Father of computer किनको जाना जाता है? Answer is Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer. कौन थे father of computer? Charles Babbage. Okay, move to next. Next one is what is punch card? Question number 3 is what is punch card? Answer is a punch card is a piece of paper that contains the information for doing calculation. Okay, move to next. Question number 4. Define mini computer. Answer is mini computers are general purpose computer where a large numbers of people can work together. Large number of people can work together. So mini computer जनरल पर्पस कंप्यूटर्स हैं जहाँ पे बड़ी तादाद में लोग मिलकर काम कर सकते हैं. Move to next. Next one is question number 5. Write any 2 features of supercomputer. So first one is supercomputers are the powerful computers in the world. Well, supercomputer दुनिया में powerful computers हैं. And next one is supercomputers have a very large storage capacity. और सुपर कंप्यूटर की दूसरी खसूसियत ये है कि सुपर कंप्यूटर्स में स्टोरेज की गुंजाइश बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लर्न दीज क्वेश्चन आंसर्स एंड आल्सो लर्न द एक्सरसाइज ऑफ यूनिट नंबर 1. दैट्स द एंड ऑफ माई लेक्चर. आई होप यू enjoyed. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़.